Good morning students, how are you all? I welcome you in AVS online class. So in last lecture or in last video we have done chapter number 9 birds and we have done A, B and C, right? So today we are going to do D. So page number 59. This work you have to do it in your book as well as notebook in good handwriting. Okay? So D1 is what? Match the column A with column B. Now in this they have given you two columns, column A and column B. Now column A are the birds, types of birds we have read now. Class of the birds that is given in column A, and what type of bird, example of birds are given in column B. What I am doing, I am writing answer in front of the question. Okay. So first one, which bird? Scratching bird. Scratching bird. So scratching bird example is cock. So answer for scratching bird is cock. Okay. Now comes second one, climbing bird, and the answer for climbing bird is woodpecker. Woodpecker. Third is wading birds. Third one is wading bird, and answer for wading bird is flamingo. Okay. Fourth one is perching bird. Perching bird, and the answer for perching bird is sparrow. The fifth one is water bird, and the answer for water bird is duck. So this your D part is complete. Mark this in your book as well as notebook. So now we are going to do the last part of this lesson, that is answer the following question. Okay. E part, answer the following question. Okay. So first one is, how do birds fly? Bird कैसे fly करते हैं? How? What do you think? What should be the answer? We have already read. We will describe here the movements. Okay. Only mention the movement. So a bird has a wing which help it to fly. Okay, a bird has a wing which help it to fly. Now come question number 2. Name the three types of feathers. So you have to write the types of feathers. Answer the 3 types of feathers are: first one is body feathers, second is your down feather, and last one is your flight feather. So this is your answer. How do birds fly? A bird has a wing which helps it to fly. Question number 2. Name the 3 types of feathers. Answer: the 3 types of feathers are body feathers, down feathers, and third one is your flight feather. Okay. Now come third question. Question number 3. What kind of feet do cranes and herons have? Question is, what kind of feet do cranes and herons have? So answer for this is cranes. C should be capital, cranes and herons have long legs with spread out toes. Okay. Question number 4. What kind of beak do cranes have? How does it help them to capture? पकड़ना मतलब to capture their food. So answer cranes have broad and flat beak. So this is the first answer. What kind of beak do cranes have? Cranes have broad and flat beak. Okay. And now the answer for second. How does it help them to capture their food? They स्कूप में जैसे आप स्पून के साथ पीते हैं वैसे वो अपनी बीक के साथ दे स्कूप मडी वाटर along with plants and insects muddy water flows out through the holes muddy water flows out through the hole, leaving plants and insects inside. क्या होता है जब वो प्लांट मडी वाटर को अपनी बीक से मुंह में लेते हैं तो वो जो मडी वाटर है वो उनके साइड पे होल्स होते हैं ना, तो वो होल्स के थ्रू बाहर आ जाता है पानी और प्लांट्स और इंसेक्ट्स उनके मुंह में रह जाता है और वो खा लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 5. How do the feet of perching birds help them? पर्चिंग बर्ड के फीट तुमको कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? आंसर, द फीट ऑफ पर्चिंग बर्ड, दिस विल कम फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन, द फीट ऑफ पर्चिंग बर्ड्स help them to hold onto a branch. वो पेड़ की ब्रांच को टाइटली पकड़ने में हेल्प करते हैं, जिससे वो उस पर सो भी जाते हैं और गिरते भी नहीं है, वो टाइटली पकड़ लेते हैं, जैसे हमने पढ़ा था ना, इट विल होल्ड दैट क्लॉज टाइटली विद द branch of a tree. So that's all for the day. Complete this work in your notebook and send me pictures.